Hello everyone, welcome back. Now in the left side we will display your image sections. Here image section is the fed with animations. Like this is your right side, your form. Just you will see the animation. You will see it. Just it is like that one. So for it you need to go inside here. This is your form sections. Okay, this is in the right side. Then in the left side here we will display your image. So let's notice here image section component we have already imported. Okay, and then inside it. Okay, so this is image section. So inside it here, make the style component that is animatable with the frame motion. So that's why we have imported that library. Make it as animation. Like what motion dot div. Then here start fully transparent. Here initially this is what opacity it is 0. Then outside it here animate to full visibility, animate here opacity to 1. Okay, and then here animation duration for the 1 second, trans here transitions it is equal to here duration 1 second, this is a millisecond. And then inside it here we have to render that component. That is what here transparent layer over the image for the contrast overlay component. Inside it here we have the basically images. You know that. Let me go. You will see here inside verify it. Go to the top and overlay. This component. Okay. This one. Okay, you will see here. Got it. So let me go inside page and then this is overlay. And then here it's below now. Here text inside image section with slide up animation. So let me check it here. At this time you will see here the images. I think if we have implemented successfully, and you will see just you will see your images in the left side and right side of your phone. Okay, so here basically from where you will get this image. So the thing here, how we will provide the source code. So in the source code we have already put all the images. You will find it here. Okay, all these images you will get here from the source code. Then we have like using this image like response 11, this image dot jpg, and you will see in this image we have been using inside your styles and .js files. Here is just style.js files. So inside it we will find it in this is image section. So inside it here we have to define your path means this one url, go inside images. So that's why this folder, this is images, and then here the your file name res 11.jpg, this one res.11.jpg. So that's why we will this image visible here in the image sections here. So let me again, if you want you can refresh it and then you will see the animations. You will see just you will see here. Okay, so just here on this image I want to display the like image. Just here text inside image section within the slide up animations. So that's why inside overlay here image content component. Okay, so let's first inside it here we have to write some styles inside image content like as motion dot div, motion dot dot div. Then we proceed to the initial, then animate and transitions. So this is initial. Initials it is equal to inside it here. It starts lower and invisible. Here it is y 220, then opacity is 0. and then animate here. Okay, animate y, it is 0, and then opacity 1 here, animate into place, opacity to the 1, and then transition here, it is delay. 0.3, and then duration 0.8. Okay, format to document, this is your image content, then inside here we have the right typography component. So inside it, like right here, join us today today. Okay, and then inside here, like the attributes here, variant. Here variant, it is equal to h3. Here inside it, h3, then outside it here gutter bottom, and then it, and then essential styles for it. Inside it here font width, that is a 700. Okay, so formatting document. Join us today. Now next it is what, create another typographic component, copy it, paste it here. No need of this one, just it is h6. Then inside it write the text here, create your account and start your journey with us. Create your account and start journey. Okay, so journey with us, format document. Now let me check it here, and this time you will see your text. So just refresh it, and just you will focus on the animations. You will see, and just you will see the animations. Got it? It is due to the frame motions. Okay, this one is library. Then after that, here what you have to do here, basically here you have to binding your values, and as well as we will define your functions. So let here just we will binding your values one by one. Like here you will see here this message create account. Okay, so you will find it here in the form section. Okay, this is the total are your image sections. Here animated image section in the left side, in the right side it is your form sections. This is your form section, and this is text create account. So go inside it here, and then you will see what that frame motions. And then here inside it, here you have to see that your text create account, basically this one, this is your text create account, and then now it's below, this is your form. Okay, this is the form, this is your main form. So what you have to do here, and define function on submit, on submit, handle submit function. Okay, so this is the what, handle submit. Copy this, then go to the top and define that functions also here. Just define, later on we will implement the logic. So basically what we have to do inside it. Got it? So this is your form text field. Basically this is what here your name field. So inside it here we have imported this icon, person icon or not. Let me check it here. Okay, here we have already imported all the necessary icons, so don't worry about it. Then inside here you have the values. That is form data dot name, form data dot name. Basically this one, guys, we are processing this state values. Here form data, this one, form data dot name. Then for the email text field here, form data dot email. Then for the password, form data dot password. So we will access in each field. Okay. Then here on change here, whenever you just type something, just changing that changed value we will put in these functions. That is what handle change functions. Okay, and this one is what here we will display your icon in the start here. Got it? This one icon. Now next is, let me close your text field here. At this time, this is your text field. The next it is here email field. You will see the comment so that you will understand here. Now go inside email field. Then inside email, the same thing as here you have to bind your values. That is a form data, form dot email. Okay. Then on change event, whenever you just type something on change, it is the handle change functions. Okay, on change event. And then let me go your password field. You will see, so inside password field, so inside tell it. Also here we have the type here. We have not created this state variable like so password, so we will create it after that here. So password, then this is what text, and then it is what password. Okay, we have not yet created one, but we will create. And then next it is here we have to bind its value with values, your state values, like form data dot password. The next it is here on change event, whenever you have to changing the values on change handle change functions inside it. Okay, now this is your images. Okay, after that, and this is a in the environment, and inside it we have to create your visibility function. Okay, so it is a positions. Okay, basically I want to make it here the button, whenever you just click here, then you will see the password or hide password. Basically your visibility password here, so in the height, so that's why here. So this is inside it here, inside icon button. So let's create here icon button. Okay, then inside it here on the basis of condition we will display here, so password. Just we will render your icon here. It is the visibility of close. Not outside here. Basically here I am using the ternary operators, and then visibility. Okay, as well as inside whenever you click here we have to changing its value on click handle toggle password functions, handle toggle password functions. Okay, we have not defined, so later we will define this functions. Then similarly for what confirm password, guys, here. So confirm password we have to implement the same thing like this. It is here similarly like this one. Let me copy this all the things, and then go inside this text field here, paste it here. Now in place of here, this is a type. Here you have to remove and then write here, so confirm password. So confirm password. Here is the text and password. Then this is the what in place of password we have that confirm password. Okay, and this is for your same thing. You have to copy from here this line of code, copy it, go to the bottom, and then inside icon button, paste it, and then we have not dedicated this is still variable. Here basically it is different for this one. So confirm password, and inside icon button we have to define its function handle toggle confirm password functions. So on click here, right on click, it is a let's remove this handle toggle confirm password. Okay, so this function later on will create. Then here is now we have one more checkbox, so you know that. So this is your link. Here you will see this one checked. Then formatted accept terms are handle change functions. Then this is your, you will go to the login page and you will see here the error if we have that. Then this is your buttons. Okay. For return button here you have to make basically by default it is disabled. So you know that. Here you can understand here. Here, here now it is active, but I want to make it disable until we have the data. So disabled here. It is each is submitting. Submitting. Then on the basis of submitting, we will here display your text, basically different text. So let here we to each is submitting. Cut from here. And then inside text here, this is your messages. Otherwise, go inside here, create account. Write here message, create account. Got it? So I think at this time we have created all the necessary function. Okay. Basically, this is state variable not yet created, and as well as one more. These two functions as well as, let me go to the top and define that one. So format your document. So here we have to define that one. Okay. So here we have to create the state toggle, the visibility of the password field. Here is a const, so password. So password state variable. Then function for updating that one. Here set so password password here it is equal to use state. Here you have to make it and the false values. Okay, const so password set, so password is state it is false, and then state will toggle the visibility of the confirm password field. Here const so here write confirm password, and then set so confirm set confirm password. It is equal to use state here. Then you have to make it the false. So here you have to make it the false.